Hello, welcome to today's masterclass. I'm so glad you clicked on to learn how to make popcorn. So that's what this masterclass is all about. I'm going to show you how to make your own popcorn, which means that it's going to be healthier and it won't have any additives, things that you can't pronounce. So all the ingredients in our recipe will be ingredients that you can pronounce. So I'm going to show you how to make a basic popcorn recipe, and then you can get creative with it and add different flavors. For me, popcorn has always been a favorite snack of mine since childhood, and I learned how to make popcorn from my mom, and she makes it over the stove, and that's how I like to make mine. But I thought it would be great for me to teach you how to make it in the microwave also, because it saves times, and if you're not familiar with how to use the stove, the microwave might be safer for you. So to make our microwave popcorn, we need some corn kernels. So I don't know if you've ever seen corn kernels, but this is what is used to make popcorn. So we start off with this, and this is basically corn. That's all it is. So you can buy this at any store. So you need these right here, corn kernels. You'll need oil. This is a very important ingredient. You can use vegetable oil. You can also use coconut oil, olive oil, all kinds of oils. And then salt, just a very tiny bit of salt. So too much salt is not good for us. Last but not least, sugar. So I personally like kettle corn, which means that it's sweet. Some people like more salt and buttery popcorn. So I'm going to show you how to make just basic popcorn, and then from there you can, once it's hot, you can add your special flavors to it. So you could put like pepper, salt and pepper. You could put some powdered cheese, just different variations. Obviously I would like you to make healthy choices, but anytime you're watching a movie or a show or you want a quick snack, you can, in less than 5 minutes, make your popcorn, grab it, and be ready to go. And you can also make it for your family and friends, and I bet they will also enjoy your popcorn. So let's get to it. So you should make sure you have all your ingredients. So pause the video. Once you have all your ingredients, come back and follow along with me as we make popcorn. all done. Let's see how it turned out. So the key is to stop the microwave when you hear it slow down. So let me show you what it looks like inside. So now I'm going to empty it out. Actually, I'm just going to cut it open so you can see what it looks like. See? There you have it. Microwave popcorn. I'm going to try it. Not bad. So did you make it? How was your popcorn? Have you tried it? I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope you were able to share with someone around you, whether it be your parents or your friend or your brothers and sisters, and they can give you feedback as to how you did on your very first microwave popcorn. I hope it's delicious, and I can't wait to see your results. So feel free to share. Send me an email with your final product or talk to me about it next time we meet. So I know I'm going to keep making it because I love it, and it's one of my favorite snacks. And I hope now you have a new tool in your tool belt to use and to share with your friends and families. Okay, I look forward to seeing you in the next masterclass. Take care. Bye.